Hello everyone, I'm architect Sakshi from Serene Spaces Private Limited. Today I am going to take you to our project that is M3M Broadway, and we have done 18th floor in that building. It has 60,000 square feet area. We have completed this project in 4 months from designing till execution. Hello everyone, we are here at M3M Broadway Sector 71 Golf Course Road Extension. So here we have done 18th floor full interior and designing part. So let me take you. So welcome at 18th floor. We have done complete designing. We are here at lift area. We have used the beige and grey shade over here. Material that we have used is tile, but it is looking like a marble. Then we have chatted the wall with tile because these are a more rough and tough type of material that cannot be damaged. We are here at a corridor area, and the tiles we have used here is a Botticino tile, and you can see the continued grain over here, and the grains are looking seamless throughout the corridor, which is giving a very luxurious look to it. It has 60,000 square feet area. So we have divided the blocks, the area into many blocks, like 9 blocks we can say, and till A to I we have divided. This is the reception area of block A, and here you can see we have kept a modern design and concept. So we have designed it in a way that grey shade, mocha brown and blue shade are contrasting each other. We have used tan furniture, and then we have used blue sofa, and we have highlighted the wall with fluted blue panels, and we have provided the accent light just above the reception area. If I talk about the flooring, so since the theme is very minimal, so we kept the pattern on the floor. You can see it is giving a seamless and a marble pattern. Coming to our workstation area, we have placed the workstations in a linear pattern. We have used a hint of blue shade as an accent shade and grey as a base shade over here. We have used a darker grey ceiling over here. On the passage area, you can see we have hidden the all the services behind the gypsum ceiling. So our circulation is very clear. The gap between the workstations are very good enough so that the chairs cannot collide each other. So you can see we have used blue color in all our theme. We have used a very pastel shades of blue on walls. Then coming to our MD cabin, we have used wallpaper just behind the table. We have used a table in dual color tone. We have used some woody texture and some white laminate on the table. Leatherite chair from GK. Coming to our meeting area, small meeting area, and we have used circular table over here. We have given the space for TV over here so that anybody is having meeting can place things on the storage given below. And this is the lacquered glass that we have provided, and we have used the same size of accent light just above the table. Coming to our cafeteria, it is giving a very pop feeling, right? You can see the vibrant yellow we have used over here, the Moroccan tile we have used over here. Let me take you to block D. So here we are here at reception area. In this area, we have used a marble pattern you can see on the tabletop, and then we have used the fluted panel on table as well as on wall. And this is the textured wallpaper that we have used over here. Then this is how we have contrasted grey and beige all together at one area. And we have used the fluted panel over here. This is the space we have kept vacant for the logo or for the branding of the client. Coming to our workstation area, this is giving a very breathable space. You can see we have divided the area into two parts. This is our workstation area. This is our all cubicle area. Then there we have accounts area. Then on other side we have HR space. Coming to our small meeting area, and we have used a pastel green color on the wall, and it is contrasting well with the yellow flooring. As I told you, we have placed the workstation area in different parts. So this area is a normal workstation area, and this area is for admin block. Because we need more and more storage space in admin area, we have provided the inbuilt storage over here for more file storages. Welcome to our I block. This is the smallest block on this floor, and this is the smallest reception area. So this is our workstation area. We have placed the workstation in such a way that the circulation should not be blocked. You can see there is much space for circulation. There is no hindrance, all clear space you can see. We are here at MD cabin in block I. So this is one of my favorite space in this block. Client has that big window just behind him, and the area is looking very spacious, and he can keep eyes on each and every workstation from his cabin. And here, if I say about the furniture here, we have used a very woody texture on tabletop and contrasting it with blue sofa. Then tan shade is complementing the blue concept we have used in this block. So this is our conference area of block B. You can see we have used contrasting colors over here. It is giving a very premium feel to the environment. You can see we have used the yellow pattern on floor, and we have contrasted with that green shade, pastel shade we have used. And this is very decent minimal laminate that we have used on tabletop. If I talk about the designer part over here, you can see we have used the designer light on wall. Then we have given the space for writing over here, and this is the space for television. Hope you like the project. Please add your comments and reviews below, and don't forget to subscribe on our channel, that is Spaces by Serene. Thank you.